over now.
Yeah, now it's serious talk. We're live.
Everybody say appropriate things.
All right, so what's up, everyone? Today I finished up the API completely for the chat app in the Mac course Johnny's making, so that's cool. And then I did some refactoring for the admin app, so our platform can handle all of Mark's cool new code, and we found a few bugs that are being worked on now. And that was my day. Oh, I went and drove Baby Blue for like 30 minutes because I needed to.
It's first time.
And it was the first time leaving the house this week.
You know that the code is getting deep and bad when his thing to do is to go drive in LA traffic for fun.
Yeah, that's true. But traffic's not bad when you're in Baby Blue. But yeah, so that was my day. The chat app is looking awesome. We'll wait for Johnny to join to talk about that, though. How about you, Mark?
It's a good day. Identified a lot of bugs. Jason gave me a lot of bugs, UI, other stuff too, and I got that all fixed. And I was planning on working on this into the night, but I think my git push at the office, like the remote hung up or something because my changes aren't in the repo. So looks like I'll be reconvening that in the morning. But overall, good day, and I've got a clear path. All I have left to do, Jacob, is that enrolled stuff. And yeah, so I think I may do a little refactoring too. But anyway, it's a good day. Admin app sub. Jason's been working with it, which is great. Been working with Hector on planning out this really cool MOBA course, multiplayer online battle arena, like Clash Royale. And I'm pretty stoked about that. We're going to start working on it really soon here. And then I'll let Evan report on all this. But I've been chatting with him on Devslopes standards for teaching and our new peer review system with checklists and things like that. So every lesson that we produce is Devslopes quality. And so every lesson that anybody produces is going to be better. And what's cool for you guys who are teaching the lessons is you don't have to stress as much or overthink as much because we're kind of laying out what a lesson consists of. And so long as you follow the points, you've done a good job and we've passed peer review, it'll be good. And, which I think is going to increase the bottom line of the company, our standards and quality up to a whole new level. I'm saying this like I'm pushing this. This has all been Evan's work, but it's something I want to do. So anyway, really good stuff. Good day. And I took Adderall today for the first time. And it's just, I feel so good, man. I just like.
Are you joking?
This is great.
I gave him some.
Is it? Oh, wow.
Is it extended release? Because he doesn't like this.
We should talk about this on the air.
Yeah, I don't know if we should be
giving people.
No,
people drugs.
Guys, I went and saw my doctor and got a legitimate prescription. So I don't know what you're talking about here, but anyway.
I have a prescription too. Can you share some of that?
Yeah, I have one too.
You guys, I only get so many. Just kidding.
Adderall as an adult is the best, but make sure you get a prescription for your doctor, boys and girls. Dr. Hector.
Yes.
Dr. Hector.
That's awesome stuff, Mark. I'm excited to see all this work that Evan's producing to make us do.
Oh, we also just talked about, sorry, I'm going to talk more just because I think it's good to understand. Me and Evan have been just last 5 minutes chatting about potential thoughts or problems like me and Jason ran into earlier, like where do we put like the Blender course? Do we put it in between the Unity course? It's a big course. It's not really a target topic. It's covering a whole subject maybe. We don't know. And then, so anyway, we kind of have a problem where there's like a series of courses or videos or something that we need to put inside of a series, and we don't really know where to put them. So we can, like, perfect example, advanced iOS course. Let's say we want to put 20 topics in there that need to be covered. Well, does it make sense to build this course for 6 months and release it all at once, or to sell the courses in it as we finish them? That way it's manageable, digestible. And I think that's the answer, but we don't have a way to do that in our app. kind of really. So anyway, we were chatting about that. Evan's a smart guy. I'm sure he'll figure it all out. That's all.
Awesome, man. That all sounds good. Johnny,
Yo.
you made it just in time to have it be your turn.
All right, perfect. Last couple days, I know I've been saying that I thought I've been done with the Mac Chat app for a while, but I've been working out some bugs, having people beta test it a little bit, and now I think it's pretty much ironed out. So I'll be able to start recording tomorrow.
Sweet, man.
Nice.
Good work. It's freaking awesome. It's so fun chatting on your own
I know.
like homemade app.
Yeah, it's
Hey,
pretty
Evan,
sweet.
do you think we can get to a point before Johnny records tomorrow to start the peer review system?
Yeah. I'll explain in my update.
Yeah.
Think about it.
What,
All right, cool.
what is peer review
Good work,
update
Johnny.
system? What is that system?
Yeah, you just kind of missed. You just missed Mark's whole thing, but Evan will talk more.
about it. He said he's going to talk about it, Johnny. Just cool your jets.
Okay.
Gosh, relax, Johnny. You're so high strung.
I guess so.
It might just be
Jay
me. I
Song.
don't think I make Johnny high strung. Give him more stuff.
All right, I think you said my name. My kids were screaming.
I did.
All right, cool. So today I spent loads of time working on the subscription page. I'm on my last card for the sprint. It's like 70% done. So that'll be done by tonight. And then there's just a couple of loose ends to tie up. And that's it. It's all done. And then
Sweet, man.
emails, and then yeah, with the admin app, I uploaded the entire Blender course in 25 minutes, which was amazing. Hold on. Yep, you got an owie.
That's really cool.
Yeah, and then I spent some time updating all the web course video title and descriptions on Vimeo. Those were the only ones that hadn't been fixed on Vimeo, so I got like 70% of that updated. But it was a good day. My brain's
Nice, man. Good work.
Mhm.
Jack Attack.
Let me find the mute button here. I don't have a lot to report other than I moved the data over that Jason entered through the new admin app. We've got to test it out thoroughly. Kind of tied up at work today, so that's about all I got done. Next up is working on the webhooks for Jacob. So that's what I got.
Yeah, I really need my webhook, Jack.
Yeah, we'll get it here hopefully tomorrow.
I like the glasses,
All right,
dude.
sweet.
Looking snazzy.
Thanks, man.
You look so wise. I just want to sit down and have a conversation.
I never realized how bad my vision was until I got these.
Man.
I'm nearsighted, so it's not that bad up close, but like people before would be like, "Hey man, look out there across that field. There's a deer or something." I'd be like, "Oh yeah, I see it," and I wouldn't see nothing. And now I put them on. It's like, "Hey man, I can see."
Jack, this whole time you've been coding in Swift, and you actually thought you were supposed to put semicolons there, but you never noticed you weren't doing it, and it just magically worked for you.
Yep. Yep. That's right.
I remember when I got LASIK and I woke up in the morning and could like see the texture on the wall without putting my contacts on. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Well, good work, Jack. Hector.
So I've been working on getting all the things that we need to start creating the art assets and the design for the upcoming lesson that Mark and I are going to be doing. So I'm not really waiting on anybody. I'm sure Evan will get me deadlines, but I'm going to make things production ready before I actually record anything. So I'll actually start doing the art, and then I'll redo it again as part of the course, just so everything is like polished and fresh in my mind and ready to go. So that's been my day.
Cool. Awesome, man. I'm excited to start seeing stuff.
Me too.
That is
It'll
going
look
to be
really
cool. All these target topics are exciting. I love it. Evan.
Caleb, did you go? I'll go last if.
No, all right, Caleb.
Caleb,
All right.
go for it.
Hey guys, so for me, today specifically, I've been just continuing to edit videos for the ride sharing course. It's going well. I just got a lot of editing to do. This course ended up being a little bigger than I had planned. And so basically, yeah, I'm just editing away, getting as much done as I can, as quickly as I can. Working on social media stuff. I've been pretty active on the Instagram story. So just been trying to, provide some engaging content, things that you guys are engaging with. It's been cool to hear from our students. They've been really interested in engaging regularly with the stories. So that's cool. And yeah, actually, I do have a question though. So the other day we had talked about sending away some of those stickers in a giveaway for an Instagram story, but I never got a count on how many there were. So Hector, since you're in the office, would you be able to check to see where those are? I actually have no idea where they are.
Check to see what?
Right behind you in the cubby, like directly behind you, in one of those, there's like a stack of stickers.
All right, I'll check after we're done with the call.
If you could just send me the count of them, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
So for those who are watching and paying attention and listening, which is all of you, I'm sure, we're going to be doing a giveaway on Instagram stories where you'll need to respond to our Instagram story in a way that you'll find out soon. And I'm going to choose a couple winners to receive a Devslopes sticker, and it'll arrive in the mail. So pay attention for that. It's going to be happening a little bit later. So awesome. That's my update.
Cool. I'll get those numbers to you.
Nice.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hey, I'm pretty sure I speak for everybody here, man, but you have been slaying it on social media, on Instagram stories. You're doing really good.
Thanks, man. It's fun. It's fun. It's a cool platform.
Get this, Caleb. So I'm going through Instagram stories, just looking at what's going on.
Yep.
And then I see an ad, or what I thought was an ad, and I click on it because it looked really cool. Just for me to realize that it said Devslopes after I already clicked on it, and it wasn't even an ad. It was whatever you did. And I was like, wait, what just happened here? I was like, I thought it was a strategically placed ad by another company because it was so well done. It was actually in your story. And that's why I was like, what? This is amazing.
Cool. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's fun.
When you said you thought I clicked an ad, I was like, oh no, Mark, that's 17 cents for us.
No, don't click the ads. Yeah, it's fun. I've been doing Wallpaper Wednesdays where like I give a little preview of a wallpaper, and then if you hold down on the story, the like UI fades away, and then you can screenshot that and save it as a wallpaper for your phone. So yeah, Wallpaper Wednesdays, check it out. Go to the Instagram story, folks who are watching. Get yourself a free Devslopes wallpaper.
Guys, I like
Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
We should hire Caleb full time.
Sounds good.
Yes, we should.
Cool. Evan.
All right, cool. So today was a really, really good day. Like Mark said, I talked to him about a lot of product roadmap things. Edited some videos for the course redemption codes for the new courses that are going to be in the app. And like I said, I didn't mention it on yesterday's stand-up because I wasn't there, but basically I'm writing a 10-day, 10-email introductory Swift course. Basically, the whole premise of it is I'm using like these little stories and analogies to deliver introductory Swift concepts to people who've never coded before. And it's going to be blasted out into an email list, and then we're going to link back to our website. Hopefully get people comfortable with the idea of learning Swift and harboring them in as students. So I've been working on that. Yeah, basically been doing a lot of research and working on company culture stuff and like standards for actually teaching as we grow as a company. I'm really actually happy that everyone's on, or most of the team is on here right now. So what I'd like to do, Jacob, is if we can just end it, I want to go off air for this part of it. And then I want to explain to you guys, what we're going to do internally.
All right, sounds good. We'll talk to you guys later.
All right, it's about to